Cases of West Nile virus have already been reported in more than 20 states, including here in Texas this year. That's according to the CDC, and some experts say the high-risk season for the virus may be moving earlier in the year. Bradley Blackburn spoke to one young woman who survived a very serious case.
Alex Inglaterra is a competitive rock climber who grew up in Colorado. But last year, when she was just 17, her health suddenly tumbled.
Symptoms just kept getting worse. I was getting really bad headaches. I got a rash, dizziness, nauseousness.
For days, doctors dismissed her symptoms until her fever jumped to more than 105. Then the ER knew it was serious.
They didn't know what it was, so we did a spinal tap and they diagnosed me with meningitis. And I stayed in the hospital for about 3.5 days.
Tests confirmed her meningitis was caused by West Nile virus, likely from a single mosquito bite. Data suggests most West Nile cases are reported in July, August, and September. But the high-risk season may now be arriving earlier and lasting longer.
This is being driven by climate change, so we're having longer summers, they're arriving earlier, and that correlates then with longer, earlier mosquito seasons.
CBS News medical correspondent Dr. Celine Gounder says while it's rare, West Nile can cause severe neurological problems, sometimes with lasting effects. It's critical to protect yourself.
Using insect repellent with DEET or Picaridin is highly effective in warding off mosquitoes, and then avoiding peak mosquito hours, so dawn and dusk. But we also need other things like mosquito control workers.
You are lucky to be alive.
Yeah, I'm super grateful.
A year later, Alex has finally recovered, but says her story should be a real warning.
Wear a mosquito spray, and if you start to show symptoms, seek help.
A long climb back after surviving a dangerous disease. Bradley Blackburn, CBS News, New York.
And according to the CDC, the majority of West Nile cases reported occur in those ages 50 and older, but young people, as you just saw there, can be infected too.